Okay, for your first writing assignment, you get to write about a topic that you know very, very well, yourself. The question is, how well do you really know yourself? Here's what I want you to do. This assignment is to get to know you as a person, but I don't really care how many siblings you have. I don't care what color your eyes are. Those things are easy to figure out on our own as we get to know each other. I want to know what drives you as a person. That's what I'm looking for on this one. So this paper is going to be about your passions and or fears. The truth is, everything we do is motivated either by passion for something. We have a goal that we want to accomplish, so we do that thing, or fear, that we're afraid of some outcome, so we do the thing because we're afraid of a different outcome. Either way, that's what motivates you. So I want you to really look at yourself, be honest with yourself, and then I want you to write at least a page, one page, and we're gonna say, we could do 1 page, space and a half, not double space and a half. This should really help me to understand where you come from. So some of you act like you're dumb because you think that's the role you need to play in junior high. Some of you are the super smart kid that always gets everything right and is disgusted by all the dumb people around them. Some of you keep your head down and mouth shut and you're hoping to just float through without making anybody look at you. Some of you hang out with the popular kids. Some of you hang out with the band kids or the choir kids. Some of you hang out with the outcast group. Some of you, whatever. Think about your life. You fill several different roles. Maybe you are the kid who doesn't like to be around other people. Or maybe you're the class clown. Or maybe you're the one that's nice to everybody no matter what. I mean, you fill these roles. Why do you do it? That's what I want you to think about. What makes you act and think the way that you act and think? Really consider the answer, okay? And then write about it. Give me some examples. So if you say, let's say that you are afraid of failure and that's what motivates you. Then give me some examples of when your behavior is different because you are afraid of failure. It causes you to act in a different way because you're afraid of failing. Give me some examples. So at least 1 page, no more than line and a half spacing. You can't do double space, just do line and a half. At least a page, but you can go beyond that. The more honest you are with yourself on this one, the more help it will be for you. Because once you understand what motivates you, you can affect your own behavior. If you realize, we'll just use the example since I already threw that one out there. If you come to realize that you're afraid of failure, first and foremost, I would challenge you to look at how you define failure. What does that actually mean to fail? And what are you so afraid of? What happens if you fail? And why is that so scary to you? So much so that it changes your behavior, right? Or you might be motivated by glory or the need for love or recognition or, whatever the motivation is. Really dig into why that's the case and then write about that. Have fun with this assignment. The more seriously you take it, the more it's going to help you in the future because understanding yourself allows you to start understanding your behavior and then change your behavior because you understand what your motivations are. Enjoy.